my whole 21 years of life, I don't actually remember ever being this brown. I am so happy with what my skin looks like. I can't wait to go back to work tomorrow and just be like, hey guys, I'm a different colour now. Hello my loves, for this week's video we're going to be reviewing some products from a company called the Fox Tan. If you've never ever heard of this company before, they're basically an Australian based brand that have created a bunch of different products to help you tan deeper, quicker, darker and for longer pretty much. I did really struggle with tanning for a long time, even though I'm olive skinned. I don't really tan very dark and it doesn't last very long either, so I have been trying out these products for the last 2 weeks I'd say. So I'm going to talk you through all the different products that I have with me here. There are loads of different bundles that you can get. You can either buy them individually or you can buy them in like different sets. So I think I'm going to start off where they tell you to start off pretty much, which is with this product. This is the Rapid Elixir. Really cute packaging and a really compact bottle, perfect for traveling. So this is pretty much a bright yellow lotion that you apply a few days to a week before you know you're going to have sun exposure. So say before you go on holiday, or if you know you're going to have a sunbed, you apply this all over your body as frequently as you can. It doesn't take ages to dry either, which I hate with like lotions and kind of like moisturizers and things when they take so long to dry, so you're literally just standing there waiting for it to dry. It's not like that at all. It dries within probably about like 10 to maximum 15 minutes depending on how much you apply. Basically this product helps boost the melanin production in your skin and kickstarts the tan that you could be getting. I was fortunate enough to see the difference between using it and not using it. I used it for the week before I went on holiday and my boyfriend did not, and he does not have anywhere near as good of a tan as I do, which obviously I'm super happy about. But yeah, this is definitely a really great kickstarter to your tan that you 100% need to get if you are thinking of trying to tan really deeply. The next product that I have here is probably the best thing that has ever been created on this planet. So this is the Rapid Mist. As you can see, this is the most famous product out of all of them. This is like magic in a bottle, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. I have never ever used anything like it before. They do recommend, if you don't get like all of the products, that they pair these two together, so the Rapid Elixir with the Rapid Mist. Using this product is so super easy. Literally you just spray it all over your body and rub it in. It doesn't take ages to dry like the other one either. It has a really nice scent as well, and it is super moisturizing, so whilst you're out in the sun it doesn't make your skin feel really tight, super hydrating. But the one thing that I will definitely mention is that this does not have any SPF in it. It's not a substitute for sun cream or anything like that. I would highly recommend that you still use sun cream whilst you use this. Obviously the higher the factor that you use, the slower it will take to work, but it will still work and it is so much safer for your skin. So apply your sun cream first, let that completely soak into your skin, and then apply the Rapid Mist over the top once that's completely dried, and it will just work wonders. Just from using those two products alone, guys, I have got the craziest tan lines, and of course I will be providing before and after pictures just to show you the proof. Also, like I mentioned earlier, if you do really struggle with kind of like dry skin and tightening of your skin, especially when you're out in the sun, they have created another product as well that you can use in between all of these other products. It's just so nice to have. This is the Hydrating Spray. This is such a cute packaging and it smells so good. The scent is coconut mango and I'm literally living for it. You just spritz it all over your body and it just kind of gives you like that quick boost of hydration. This does also dry really quickly as well. If I am having like a little bit of a moment where I want it to dry a bit quicker, I just pat it into my skin, because if I've got tightness already, I don't really want to be irritating my skin anymore by rubbing it. Another great tip that I saw when I was reading through their website is putting this in the fridge. Guys, that one little tiny tip was such a lifesaver for me and my boyfriend when we were on holiday. We were waking up in the night like sweating. It was so hot, like the aircon was on full blast and it was still baking. We were like, you know what? Just a little spritz. That's all you need. So I would highly recommend getting this if you are looking for a little bit of extra and you do have quite dry skin. So the last product that I've been using of theirs is arguably, in my eyes, one of the most important. So this is their Suntan Sealer. As you can see, it's got the same cute packaging as the rest of them. The bottle is slightly bigger. Not only is this their version of an after sun, but it also helps seal in your tan and keep it looking as fresh as possible for as long as possible. They recommend that you use this after you've just showered, so when your skin is still warm and slightly damp. I think that just helps kind of soak it in a little bit quicker. Even if you decided not to use it after you've just showered, it doesn't really take that long to soak into your skin either. And also, this is another thing that I would highly recommend that you keep in the fridge as well, because girl, when you apply this to your skin after a hot day in the sun, there is nothing more soothing Just putting it out there, nothing. So those are all the products that I've been using over the last couple of weeks. They did all come in this really cute little drawstring bag, which is super helpful for when you're traveling. I put all of them in this little bag and put them in my suitcase, so I just knew where everything was. I also follow this company on Instagram, and they update their Instagram constantly, showing like feedback from people using their stuff, and it's all so positive. And like some of the tan lines you see on the girls, oh my goodness. Never seen anything like it before. Literally wish I could go that colour. Like, it's insane, some of the ones that I've seen. I honestly think these products are worth every single penny, and I would highly recommend them to anybody that's like going on holiday or having problems with tanning. Really happy with the results. I can't fault these products at all. Also, at the start of this video, I did mention that this is an Australian based brand. I know that can worry some people, like buying things overseas, but I wouldn't worry about that at all. Literally, their website is so well informed. There are so many different options for like international shipping. Obviously, if you were interested in getting like a bundle or a variation of a bundle, you probably would need to get it from that website. But I have found that you can buy the Rapid Mist and the Rapid Elixir in the UK. You can actually get them from Superdrug in some stores and online, which did really surprise me when I walked into Superdrug when I was doing my last minute shopping, and there was just Rapid Mist on the shelf. I was like, I'm gonna have to get another one just in case if I run out, because I was so worried that I wouldn't have enough for both of us. So that was my review of the Fox Tan products. If you enjoyed it, or if you do have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it as well. I'll leave a link to their website, their Instagram, and my Instagram in the description down below for you as well. There will be a button on the screen if you want to go over to my channel and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll also leave a couple of previous videos over here in case you want to carry on watching. I hope you guys have a super lush weekend as always, and have a great summer. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check back here, same time, same place, for another video next week. Bye!